Okay ka lang ba dito? And now, ready na. Meron akong ganyan. Ayan. Sir, this is time matalita para. Iya. Sorry sa picture na. Yes, congratulations, Eric. Ikaw na talaga yan. At ngayon naman, isa sa mga pinaka-sexy at pinag-uusapan at inaabangang stars na nagbabalik. Dito yan sa ABS-CBN. Sino kaya ang hindi may inspire sa kanyang pagiging palaban? With everything that has happened to her, she's even more beautiful today. And she will tell everyone about her strength. So here are Asa's most powerful women. Let's all welcome Miss Sunshine Cruz, Mrs. Vina Morales, and Miss Shasha Padilla. Ayan, quarter to 2 na. And I still have one more to go with the Tatlo.